Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add fake steam to your food videos or photos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to effects here and I'm going to select nature for it, and I'm going to actually add the steam like on top of it. If I create a compound clip, it won't show. Okay. I think I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to add the steam inside of this one. You can adjust the speed here and you can adjust the atmosphere as well. Here, I'm just putting it like this so I can mask it. So I'm going to then select mask and I'm going to select circle, and I'm going to place this so that the steam is only at the top of the food, I guess. And this is what it looks like if you want to just feather it out a little bit. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. Let me just place this on top a little bit more so it doesn't look weird. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!